You need to hear this if you're an affiliate marketer. Let's dive into the best topics to boost your success. First, affiliate marketing for beginners. Learn how to pick the perfect niche and get started. Next, best affiliate programs. Discover top programs like Amazon Associates and ClickBank. SEO for affiliate marketing is crucial. Optimize your content to drive organic traffic. Don't forget affiliate marketing tools. Use keyword research platforms and analytics software. Boost your sales with conversion rate optimization. Design killer landing pages and split test your CTAs. Leverage social media. Promote products on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Content marketing for affiliate sales. Create engaging blog posts, videos, and reviews. Build an email list with email marketing. Promote products through targeted campaigns. Stay compliant with legal and ethical considerations. Follow FTC guidelines to avoid penalties. Finally, get inspired by success stories and case studies. Learn from the best in the business. Want more tips? Hit that like button and subscribe.